Nicely. Paisa.
Kilalanin natin si mga nakabalik. Very yes! And it's a locker pick for Team Kabataan Pinoy partner.
Yes, partner. Pass off. Sige namin.
Nado mo Seven is the score. Serving is bright. But outside. Wasting points. 7-9. 2-point lead. Team best. The best. 4-17 again. Chance ball. Not over. Moving away is Team Best with 3-point lead over Team Kabataan Pinoy.
Score. 8 that. Still to complete for team. Best. Council. Binigay sa class. Knockout by the middle blocker. Either si Jack, si Jay, dito mo na. 4-12-8. 4-point lead for the team back. Nakakatawid, saktong-sakto, swak na swak. Pero na-block. Na-over ba? Na-block lang yan. Last net block.
Jade serving, 9-12. Good serve. Over. Buhay pa? Yes. Yes. Genie, the keeper. Outside, check ball. Check ball. 7-0. Referee.
Yes, that was a check.
Drop ball. Tinet. Tamagyan ng Marikina. Buhay. Bumawi naman siya. Aha.
Score 10-13. Still leading team best. Now serving Zachary.
Wait,
Another.
medyo nahihirapan po silang dumikit sa team best.
Yes. Oh yes.
Kay ate,
Jimmy ball of Pia Clinton.
I think last one, two.
That is a 1-2 violation.
Hindi ko kasi one. Five-point lead by team best. Good serve. For reception. Drop ball. Chance ball now for team back for minute chance ball. Ayaw na na. Ayan natin. Mutiana Marikina, number 16. Yes, quickly. Good. Tatlo na lang po ang kailangan ng team best. Medyo dumidikit na po ang
Kabataan Pinoy.
buhay pa. Kaya pa. Good play. po yung ano.
Yes, that was a good competition
Score.
play by Kabataang Pinoy.
15-13.
Score 13-15.
15-13.
Now down to 2-point lead.
Chance ball.
Another shot ball for Kabataang Pinoy.
Alang play nila.
And
Buhay pa din.
another chance.
Crossing.
Crossing.
Over the yellow ribbon. Let it go.
13-16. Lamang po ang team best.
Mutiana Marikina, number 16, serving. Buhay pa, mga mama.
Sige pa. Good save by the libero.
Mahusay na defense.
Check ball. Score for Kabataang Pinoy. 4-9. Down to 2-point lead.
Medyo nabubuhay na po ang team. Kabataan.
Kaya ito na mag-goal partner. Sa pagkatapos ng game, mabubuhay ka rin sila.
Good serve. Open. Outside.
Out.
Sabi nila.
Now down to 1 point.
It's closer.
Yes.
To see that. Very close. Pero, nawang agad.
Yes.
Nasa.
Sana lang.
Ito. Nice receive by the libero. Up.
Tatlo na lang po ang kalabangan ng Team Bes over Team Kabataan Pinoy.
Yes.
Nice reception this time. Drop ball. Picked up by Jason. Sinet shot. Open. Yes! Nice kill. 9:30 is the score. 4-point lead by Team Bes.
Ayan na. Mukhang natutulog na naman sila. Another ace for jersey number 16, Pio Pinto. Now the score is 21-15. 6-point lead for Team Bass. That was out. Down to 5.
Dalawa ata yun.
Nice block by G.
Nakalito na po sila kung sino sa kanila.
Ayan na. Magigising sila.
Nasa-court side before that. Nice pick up.
Nice quick by Jay.
Score 22-18.
4-point lead. Next game, Jesus de la Peña versus Santo Niño.
And the game after that is...
Bardagos versus Kalokay
And
Ube.
the game after that...
Team Crash versus Team Bass.
Buhay pa ba? Tingnan natin, yes. Okay, set, press. Inside. Ay, net pala, outside. 23-18. Warning. But not over. 4-20 na lang po. Makakahabol pa kaya ang team Kabataan Pinoy? Partner? Football.
Score.
Overseas. Chance for Kabataan Pinoy.
Wala na.
And that is a match point now for Team Best.
Next game.
Jesus de la Peña.
Pagkakala po sa
Santo Niño.
best nyo, Jesus de la Peña at Santo Niño, kung gusto nyo maglaro, pero kung ayaw nyo, okay lang naman. Good. 20-24. Kung mahabol na po, hindi mo magbibigay ang team Kabataan Pinoy unless